your system. To make sure that in my system there is no Python, let's verify that. For that, I just use open my PowerShell, or you may call it anything as per your operating system. And what we say this thing in different operating system. Uh, you may mention in comment. So here I just run Python version, and you can find that here Python was not found because this tutorial is all about how to install. So I just want to cross verify that Python is not installed in my system. Now let's type Python download in your browsers, and the first website python.org, download Python, and here you find that uh, downloads. Uh, yes, download, and looking for Python different OS, Python for Windows, and here latest Python 3 release 3 1.4. Yes, and I hope once again release Python latest Python window stable download installer 64 VDS. हाँ यहाँ पे all set. uh, just wait for a couple of minutes, and when this get completed, uh, we move to a next step. And now as you see that Python 3.13 and 64.exe get installed. uh, just need to click here, and this type of pop-up window will open at your desktop. Install now or customize installation means that we have an option to set the path where we want to install the Python. So this is not all that. Add python.exe to path. Just click here and install now. While installing Python 3.13, uh, it takes couple of minutes, and after that we just need to open our Visual Studio Code, and need to check that it is working or not. And before that, we also have to open the terminal to check that is Python version command is writing their version correctly or not. Means that Python 3.1313. I hope everything will work properly. Setup was successful. We just need to close, and all done. Let's check. Open terminal. Terminal. Yes. And here I just need to write Python space hyphen version version, all done. And Python 3.1313 is mentioned here. So Python is successfully installed. Let's check. Just open Visual Studio Code, and in Visual Studio Code, actually this is the Java files. Uh, let's create another first dot py. I will delete later on. First dot py. Print mm, hello world, hello world, all done, and control alt, and yes, it's worked properly. So all done. Thank you so much, guys.